Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the future of tech. In our video today, we're showcasing 12 incredible gadgets that are set to redefine the way we live, work, and play in 2023. Let's dive in. Imagine having a versatile accessory that combines the convenience of a tech pouch, the functionality of a desk caddy, and the practicality of a sling bag. The Vertex Pouch, a revolutionary accessory that combines a tech pouch, desk caddy, and sling bag in one. It offers ample storage for all your tech essentials, keeping you organized and ready for any situation. With a quick unzip, it transforms into a desk caddy, creating an efficient workspace. Attach the removable strap, and it becomes a stylish sling bag for on-the-go adventures. Plus, it's made from durable, weatherproof materials to protect your gear. With quick access pockets and a magnetic buckle for easy use, the Vertex Pouch is the ultimate all-in-one solution for a clutter-free workspace and worry-free travels. Meta Clicker, a meticulously crafted fidget desk companion. Made from top-grade CNC machined titanium, it boasts precision and aesthetics. CNC machining ensures flawless forms and angles, while glass blasting delivers a smooth finish. Customizable with anodized colors, it features textured base plates and the Kickup logo. What sets it apart are the two types of titanium keys, each offering a distinct tactile and auditory experience. Heybike Tyson electric bike, a sleek and durable ride designed for adventure. Crafted from high-strength magnesium alloy, it's both stylish and reliable, with a unique folding design for easy storage. Powered by a 750 watts electric motor, it conquers steep slopes and reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. With versatile pedal assist levels, multiple riding modes, and fat tires, it handles any terrain, from mountains to city streets. The removable 48V/15Ah battery offers impressive range, and hydraulic brakes ensure safety. Stay connected with the Heybike app, monitoring your bike's performance and sharing your rides with the community. 86 Lux Reading Floor Lamp, your versatile lighting solution. With adjustable brightness from 10% to 100%, it caters to any occasion, whether you're working or relaxing. The unique cellular lampshade provides flicker-free, glare-free lighting with a focus on eye comfort, meeting the industry's lowest blue light standards. Its 360 degrees gooseneck design lets you direct light precisely, while the stable base ensures it stays put. Plus, adjust the color temperature for various scenarios, from warm and cozy to cool and crisp. Speks Fleks Silicone 6-piece building set, the original silicone desk toy designed to bring fun and flexibility to your workspace. These 6 pieces are made for your fidgety fingers, offering endless interaction and satisfaction. They're flexible, snappable, and pliable, providing a smooth and tactile experience. Use them to fidget through your thoughts or play through problems, snapping, twisting, and booping to engage your brain. With over 100 combinations, you can express yourself through supple silicone shapes, turning your desk into a personal playground. Sonos Move 2 is a portable smart speaker with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It's designed to be durable and weatherproof, so you can take it anywhere with you. It also features automatic TruePlay tuning, which optimizes the sound for its environment. Introducing Reach, the ultimate show and tell camera, a versatile 2-in-1 HD webcam and overhead camera designed for creators, educators, gamers, and professionals. With high precision adjustability, you can effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical orientations and swivel a full 360 degrees to showcase non-digital content in any setting. No more acrobatics, just adjust reach to your content. It even offers a 4.3 lossless zoom, ensuring you can present both wide-angle and detailed views with ease. Whether you're teaching, presenting, or demonstrating, Reach adapts to your needs, and it's a true plug-and-play solution, compatible with any computer and conferencing platform. Heavy-duty rapid storage straps, your solution to a clutter-free space. Made from robust weatherproof polypropylene with an industrial-strength hook and loop, these straps are designed to last. They can handle up to 50 pounds, making them perfect for organizing extension cords, hoses, and more. The rust-resistant stainless steel grommet allows for easy hanging, clearing up your garage, shop, or shed. These versatile straps are ideal for Christmas lights, electrical equipment, and tool cords, helping you keep your workspace organized and efficient. Microwave Popcorn Popper, your ticket to fast gourmet popcorn. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass, it makes popcorn without the need for oil or butter, preventing burning and ensuring a healthier snack. The dual-function lid allows for easy measuring and even butter melting. It's dishwasher safe and a great gift idea. Whether it's a movie night, game day, or just a craving for a tasty treat, the Micropop has you covered with endless snack possibilities in under 3 minutes. By making your popcorn at home, you skip the chemicals and calories found in prepackaged bags. Plus, the borosilicate glass is durable, safe, and easy to clean. Meet Bitsy, the digital pet you can actually touch. It transcends the 2D screen, bringing your virtual pet into our 3D world. Interact with Bitsy by swiping, tilting, and touching. These virtual pets require your love and care. They start as adorable babies, and it's up to you to feed, play, rock them to sleep, and nurture them to grow into super Bitsy adults. Unlock the excitement with 15 different Bitsy pets in one pod. Use treats to attract new ones and collect a variety of interactive animals, from cats and bunnies to unicorns and more. Introducing the Retro Mini TV Game Console, a compact gateway to the golden age of 8-bit gaming. Packed with over 500 classic games and wrapped in a nostalgic red and white design, it's a trip down memory lane. Play solo or with a friend using the wireless controller, and enjoy sharper visuals on the 3.5-inch HD screen. Connect it to your TV for an even more immersive experience. Preloaded games and the option to download more offer endless entertainment. The wireless controller provides freedom of movement and user-friendly controls. It's perfect for spontaneous gaming sessions, as it's lightweight and portable. Relive the past and make new memories with the Retro Mini TV Game Console. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.